how's it going everyone? In this video, we're going to be showing you how to get Spotify to play music while you're gaming on your Xbox. So the first thing you want to do is simply turn on your Xbox and go to the Microsoft Store. And in the search bar, you will then have to type in Spotify. Then simply select the Spotify app from the search results and click install to get it on your console. Then once you do that, you will then have to open the Spotify app, where you then have to log into your account or sign up if you don't have one. Now, to make sure that your music still plays while you game, just make sure to log into the same account on your phone as well. And once you're logged in, you'll then be able to start browsing your favorite playlists, albums or artists. So simply hit play on any song or playlist you like, and the music will literally start streaming through your Xbox. So now, to keep the music playing while you game, you can simply use your phone to control the playback on Spotify. So just make sure your phone and your Xbox are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, and you'll then be allowed to control everything from the Spotify app on your phone. So as soon as your game starts, Spotify will then keep on playing in the background while you play. So while you play, you can literally pause, skip or change the volume through the Xbox guide or your phone without interrupting your gameplay. So that's how to get Spotify to play music while you game. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.